Would you choose to live forever? Age-reversing pill that NASA wants to give to astronauts on Mars will begin human trials within 6 months. Are they giving acid to astronauts, trying to convince them that they're on a different planet? Huh? Let's get into it. This is a really fascinating article. Scientists have made a discovery that could lead to a revolutionary drug that actually reverses aging. The drug could help damaged DNA to miraculously repair and even protect NASA astronauts on Mars by protecting them from solar radiation. A team of researchers developed the drug after discovering a key signaling process in DNA repair and cell aging. The anti-aging drug trials. The experiments in mice from a team at the University of New South Wales suggest a treatment is possible for DNA damage from aging and radiation. It is so promising it has attracted the attention of NASA scientists in their quest to reach Mars. While our cells can naturally repair DNA damage, such as damage caused by the sun, this ability declines with age. The scientists identify that the call signaling molecule NAD+, which is naturally present in every cell in the body, has a key role in protein interactions that control DNA repair. Treating mice with NAD+ booster called NMN improved their cells' ability to repair DNA damage caused by radiation exposure or old age. Human trials of NMN therapy will begin within 6 months. Wow. During trials on mice, the team found that the drug directly repaired DNA damage caused by radiation exposure or old age. The cells of the old mice were indistinguishable from the young mice after just 1 week of treatment. What? The cells of the old mice were indistinguishable from the young mice after just 1 week of treatment, said the lead author, Professor David Sinclair. Human trials of the pill will begin within 6 months. This is the closest we are to a safe and effective anti-aging drug that perhaps only 3 to 5 years away from being on the market if the trials go well, said Professor Sinclair. The work has drawn the attention of NASA, which is considering the challenge of keeping its astronauts healthy during a 4-year mission to Mars. Even on short missions, astronauts experience accelerated aging from cosmic radiation, suffering from muscle weakness, memory loss, and other symptoms when they return. On a trip to Mars, the situation would be far worse. 5% of the astronauts' cells would die, and their chances of cancer would approach 100%. By the way, it's just funny how, not funny, but the symptoms right here. The symptoms of memory loss and muscle weakness. And right now, there's a lot of people that are feeling this, and the radiation is at an all-time high, and solar winds. I'm just saying, this is the first thing that came to my mind when I was reading this. Just wanted to point that out. Let's keep going. Professor Sinclair and his colleague, Dr. Lindsay Wu, were winners in the NASA's iTech competition in December last year. We came in with a solution for a biological problem, and it won the competition out of 300 entries, Dr. Wu said. Cosmic radiation is not only an issue for astronauts, we're all exposed to it on board aircraft, with the London, Singapore, Melbourne flight roughly equivalent in radiation to a chest x-ray. That's the guy right there, Sinclair in the middle. David Sinclair. In theory, the anti-aging pill could mitigate any effects of DNA damage for frequent flyers. The other group that could benefit from this work is survivors of childhood cancers. Dr. Wu says 96% of childhood cancer survivors suffer a chronic illness by age 45, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and cancers unrelated to the original cancer. All this adds up to the fact that they have accelerated aging, which is devastating, he said. It would be great to do something about that, and we believe we can with this molecule. The experiments in mice from a team at the University of New South Wales suggest a treatment for these issues is possible through the new drug. While our cells can naturally repair DNA damage, such as damage caused by the sun, this ability declines with age. The scientists identified that the call signaling molecule NAD+, which is naturally present in every cell in the body, has a key role in protein interactions that control DNA repair. Treating mice with NAD+ booster called NMN improved their cells' ability to repair DNA damage caused by radiation exposure or aging. For the past 4 years, Professor Sinclair and Dr. Wu have been working on making NMN into a drug substance with their companies Metro Biotech, NSW, and Metro Biotech International. The human trials will begin this year at Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston. Unbelievable. This has been James from the Research Revolution. I'm out of here.